Hi guys, it's Brooke with WTI. Welcome to my baby boy's bedroom. This skip hop owl is one of my favorite things in his room. I love that it has 8 different sound settings on it, so you can change it up so the baby doesn't get used to one sound. It's got great muted colors, so it doesn't stand out too much in his bedroom. It goes perfectly with the decor. Our favorites are the baby lullaby and then the nature sounds because it's just so calming and nice. It has 4 different time settings. You can either put it on continuous or 15, 30, or 60-minute intervals. There's a volume adjustment, which I love. The stars and moon on the projector are super cute, and the farther away, the bigger space it covers. It's awesome that you can adjust the angle of the projector so it either goes on the ceiling or the wall for your baby. You can turn down the light on the belly or even turn it completely off if you want it dark. This skip hop owl is the best sound machine that you can have for your baby's room, but that's just my point of view.